Hey guys, I'm Asal and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the family member in Persian. Okay guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Asal. In this channel, I'm going to teach you Persian. Last videos are all about grammars, alphabet, and very tough and not fun videos, okay? But in this video and in this week, I decided to talk about some vocabulary, especially the family members. Family is very important in Persian culture, so I think it's a good way to tell you what is mother, father, sister in Persian and other relatives in Persian. Okay, we have specific nouns for example, uncle, aunt, or and for cousins. All of them has a specific nouns. Okay, let's see. Mother, مادر. Mom, maman. Father, پدر. Dad, بابا. Sister, خواهر. Brother, برادر. Son, پسر. Daughter, دختر. Grandma, مادر بزرگ. Grandpa, پدر بزرگ. خاله aunt. دایی uncle. عمه aunt. عمو uncle. دختر خاله cousin. پسر خاله cousin. دختر دایی پسر دایی. دختر عمه پسر عمه. دختر عمو پسر عمو. شوهر خواهر brother in law. زن داداش sister in law. مادر شوهر mother in law. مادر زن mother in law. پدر شوهر father in law. پدر زن father in law. خواهرزاده برادرزاده niece nephew. شوهر husband. زن wife. همسر spouse. بچه baby child. نوزاد infant. نامزد fiancé. دوست دختر girlfriend. دوست پسر boyfriend. Okay guys, here are family members or relatives. Comment me below, do you have these kind of nouns in your language, or in like English, for example, you say uncle or just aunt, and cousins for all of the relative members. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment below and I will answer you as soon as possible. See you in the next videos. Goodbye. Khalafis.